All right, guys, it's 10 o'clock. As you can see, the spots are all gone from the dining room as well as the walk-in area. So everything's good to go. Like I said, this is a move-out situation. This customer's wanting to try to get his deposit back from the rental agency, which is always a questionable thing based on many factors, as many of you may know. But he was very happy with the carpet, so we did what we could. Our work here is done. Our citrus product that we use, not soapy, not foamy, does not leave a sticky, soapy residue behind, like you'll find with most carpet cleaners, home shampooers, etc., etc. No per spot fees, no upsells or things of that nature. We do carpets, tile, hardwood floors, linoleum. omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. We do put people in the carpet cleaning floor care business. Again, reach out to us, 404-500-9853. Or on the web at omgfloorcare.com.